Hi, kindergarten. Today's story is How I Clean My Room by Robin Nelson. Hopefully you will be inspired to go clean your room after this. Cleanup time. My room is a mess. Oh, I sure would say that. I need to clean up. Good idea. First, I pick up my clothes. I put dirty clothes in the hamper. Some people have one of these. It's called a hamper at home. At my house, I just have like a basket that we stick all the dirty clothes in. So you just put it in the basket instead. But it's important when you start cleaning to just focus on one thing at a time, because otherwise you get real lost and distracted if you're putting too many things away. So this is good that she suggests to first pick up her clothes. I hang up clean clothes. That's helpful so she knows what she can wear still. Next, I pick up my toys. I put games in their boxes. Very smart, so that she doesn't lose her pieces. I put books on the shelf, and I like how she's stacked them up and down. And maybe she's probably fixing them if they're not stacked up and down. Stuffed animals go in a basket. Then I make my bed. I smooth the sheets and the blankets. I put pillows on top. Well, that makes sense because that's where her head goes. Finally, I dust the shelves. Do you guys have one of these little Swiffer guys at home? Callie loves to use that to dust. And she gets all the low places, and then I get all the high places. So she's very helpful at home with that. I vacuum the carpet. Oh my goodness, that vacuum looks bigger than her. That's okay though. I like that she's trying. You may need an adult for this step, okay? That's how I clean my room. How would you do it? So that's where you now would go talk to your mom or dad and maybe make a plan about how to do it. Or if you have all the good ideas and you're so great at already cleaning your room, maybe you just do exactly what she did and focus on one thing at a time, and then it'll be clean. Bye for now.